Look at me, I'm a YouTuber. I literally cracked myself up, like.
I'm only human, can't you see? I made a mistake. Please just look me in my face. Tell me everything's okay. Psychotic. Ooh, can never be like you.
Hey guys, it's Maya and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my summer makeup routine. It's just a super simple makeup look that does not take that long to do. And if you guys are not following me on Instagram, you guys should follow me. It is at maya.yaya. And I'm always posting polls about my YouTube channel and asking you guys what videos you want me to do, how you want me to do the video. So if you guys want to get involved with what I'm posting and uploading here on my YouTube channel, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram because I'm always posting polls about my channel. So if you guys want to learn how to achieve this super simple and natural makeup look, just keep on watching. So I already went ahead and did my eyebrows off camera because it takes me so long to do my eyebrows. Honestly, I don't know why it takes me so long, but it takes like 10 minutes to do my eyebrows. So to do my eyebrows, I use the NYX Micro Brow Pencil in the color Espresso. And this is definitely a dupe for the Anastasia Brow Wiz. Like the Anastasia Brow Wiz is like $20 something or $19, and this was only like $10. So save your coin, sis, and buy this one instead. Okay, it works just as well. And it's a lot cheaper, so yeah. To prime my face, I'm going to be using the NYX Pore Filler Primer. I really like this one because it like fills my pores. My pores are like super big right here and it's just not cute. So I use this primer. This flaky skin, like it's driving me crazy, like what the heck. So for my foundation, I like to keep it pretty light in the summer, but like this is kind of be a little bit more full coverage. So I'm going to be taking my Clinique Stay Matte Oil Free Foundation, and I'm going to be mixing that with my Fenty Beauty Foundation because the Fenty Foundation is just a little bit too light for me right now, and this just kind of, you know, makes it a better shade for me because, you know, you get tan in the summer, and I'm so weird. I feel like I'm going to like edit this and be like, why am I so weird? Alright, and then I'm going to be using a damp beauty sponge. I just got this beauty sponge from Primark. You can use any sponge. I'm just going to go ahead and pat off the excess with the sponge. And then to set my face, I'm going to be using the Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation Powder, I think. I don't know. I don't know if it's foundation. I'll have to sneeze. Woo. I'm going to just be using this big powder brush from ColourPop, patting it in there, and then just like patting it all over. And then for concealer, I'm going to be using my NARS Creamy Radiant Concealer in the color Walnut. And then now to set my concealer, I'm going to be using my MAC Studio Fix Powder in the color C8. Like, y'all, I am obsessed with this powder. I hit pan on this. Like, this powder works so good at like giving you a little bit of extra coverage and still being super lightweight. Alright, so for my eyes, I'm going to be using my Tarte Toasted palette. Such a basic, like, everyday palette, you know? I freaking love it. So I'm going to be taking this color Latte, which is just this like MAC light brown, maybe. And I'm going to just be putting that all over my lids just to act as like a base. For my crease, I'm going to be taking this dark brown color called Fireside right there. I'm just going to keep that on the outer corners of my eyes just to kind of deepen up the crease a little bit and make it look like I tried, even though I didn't. And now I'm just going to blend everything together. And then to highlight my inner corners, because I love an inner corner highlight, like, don't we all? I'm going to be taking the color Candle, which is the super sparkly color right there. So my favorite mascara of like all time, I freaking love this mascara. It is the Kiko Ultra Tech Volume and Definition Mascara. I got this when I was in Spain and I am obsessed with this. I should have bought more of these mascaras because they work so well. So for bronzer, I'm going to be using this ColourPop Pressed Powder Bronzer. If you guys have been watching my videos for a while, you know that I love this bronzer. Like, I've been using this for like almost a year now. Oh wow, I have mascara on my nose. That's cute. That's really cute. Alright, and now I'm going to be taking this Milani Baked Bronzer. And I don't know what the color is. Oh, it's in the color Soleil. And I'm just going to be putting that right on top of where I put the other bronzer. Now for a highlighter, I'm going to be using this Milani Illuminating Face Powder in the color Hermosa Rose. Yeah, so I just kind of swirl my brush in it. I'm using like this blush brush. And I put it right on the top of my cheeks. And it gives you like that highlight without like a super intense highlighter, you know? So once I'm done with that, I'm going to go ahead in with my Mario Badescu Rose Water and just spray that on my face. And then on top of that, I'm going to use my NYX Matte Finishing Spray. Alright, and then for my lips, I'm going to be taking my Fenty Lip Gloss.
Then I'ma have to pull up on them. That's not what I wanna do. Yeah, I'ma have to show them something. I could play the game too, but not get confused. You know it's nothing new. They call me Nevaeh to play a nigga what it do. Yeah, I'm the bitch you can call.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. And if you made it all the way to the end of this video, why don't you go ahead and comment down below the sunflower emoji. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below and hit that subscribe button if you guys have not done so already. My goal is to reach 3,000 subscribers by the end of the summer. I mean, it's kind of a big goal, but I mean, you gotta reach for the stars and you'll land on the moon, right? Am I right? Am I right? Am I right? And that is all that I have for you guys today, and I'll see you guys in our next video. Peace!
Till I look good on the gram. See me looking good and he bragging to his fam. Yeah, I let it slide cause I know it's not serious. But if he try to play me, that nigga might be delirious. Then I'ma have to pull up on him. That's not what I wanna do. Yeah, I'ma have to show him.